steam. And chicken will look good. Real good. Oh, it's true.
And the nice and clean, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, so it's coming from Crucial and Tea, and Peter Colonel from the Waterhouse Russian crew from the UK.
Alright, so we just want to give thanks to all the donors and the person who sent on behalf of Arthur, Diane and Chin.
Yeah.
Really appreciate. Diane is not here, so we just want to say thanks again. And Arthur again.
Thank you very much.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Put the bottom part first.
Put up the camera.
Watch where you do,
Watch your finger.
Now we can go.
Yes.
Don't go around there.
You can pass this on.
Yeah, man.
Move us.
The stove move.
Alright, what's wrong, man? Shut out, sir. Yeah, man. Alright, simple. What you doing?
Watch your foot here, Arthur.
Move your foot, Arthur.
Barrel come.
Yes, Tata, barrel come.
See the horse there, look.
Win 3-1 now, boss. Yeah, man, win 3-1, man. All is well, man. Win 3-1.
Yes, sir.
Lacazette.
Yes, Chinny, flight, man. Yeah, flight, man.
Oh, flight.
Come here, that's how. See this. Pass, what's that flight? How are you going? I said lockdown.
No, let's go.
Oh, that is up on the side for food. See something on the side. No, man, that's broken. I know that is just.
See you, yeah.
Fine, I want something to fry me. See what?
Skincare products to see dramatic results. Try Olay Skin. Just one different microphone cream has the prestige cream, which helps plump skin cells and visibly smooth wrinkles, while Olay Snow 24 provides visibly smoother, brighter skin. For dramatic skincare results, try Olay and now receive 25% off your purchase at Olay.com. Brand power helping you find it.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah, so it's coming from Crucial and T, and Peter Colonel from the Waterhouse Russian crew from the UK.
Alright, so we just want to give thanks to all the donors and the person who sent on behalf of Arthur, Diane and Chin.
Yeah.
Really appreciate. Diane is not here, so we just want to say thanks again. And Arthur again.
Very much.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, give me that. Yes.
Really give thanks to all the donors who send many blessings. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
And Arthur who is here, really appreciate it.
Yes, Arthur.
And every look goes a long way, so we really appreciate it and very much. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. So we have to give thanks to the Crucial and T
Yes.
and Colonel,
Yes.
Peter Colonel from the Russian crew, Waterhouse,
So really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
and the UK.
Thanks to everyone and the Dream Team again who make it possible. Really thank you and thank for the work that you guys are doing.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
really appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Arthur, you have anything
Yes,
to say?
I appreciate it. A wonderful thing, man.
Yeah, beautiful. So big up yourself, man, Crucial
Beautiful.
and T and Peter Colonel from the Waterhouse Russian crew who live in the
Many
UK.
thanks.
Yeah, can't thank you enough. Yeah, I'll give thanks for everything we wanna do. You see me, because they've been supporting the journey right through, and they might continue to do so.
Yes,
so we
really.
give thanks, you know. So Trini, you know if I do the maths.
Yeah, man, we sort it out, man.
You
So
sort
again, we
it
said
out.
Diane is not here, but we sort it out, and
Yeah.
Arthur, we sort it out. So
Yeah,
we
man.
really appreciate it, and thanks a lot again, guys.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Alright then, Tata.
Yeah, man.
Alright then.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, man. Looking fresh.
Millions.
They say millions. Millions fresh. Yeah, man, I like that, man.
I'll put it that up.
Just so good look.
Yeah, man. Many blessings, man.
Cool, okay. It come in our box, so we have to put the box could have gone in the house, so we have to take it out of the box
Are the right thing is so.
and put it in our barrel. Because we don't have problem to bring it in here, you know.
Yeah, man, want all about
But you see that thing there right there, so see that can there, so? To your right hand side, right over there, see this.
Oh, this?
No, man. Yeah, see that? That bad.
Oh.
See that custard?
Yeah.
You just warm it and you eat it with cake.
Oh.
It come like a porridge, you know, you just warm it.
Okay.
Yeah, and you throw it in a
Not
bowl.
porridge, you know.
Yeah, you just throw it in a bowl and put cake in it or anything, custard. But
Alright.
that was my
From
favorite.
Yeah, UK.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my favorite, that man, custard and cake.
Yeah, Arthur.
Yeah,
It's a type of porridge. Custard and cake. So you can put anything you want to put in it, like a
Yeah.
slice of cake or anything.
Yeah.
So we just pull it and warm it up for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
And you have a nice bowl
Yeah,
of porridge.
Yeah, you just put the
Alright.
cake in it.
yeah.
Yes.
Put the cake in it, man, or whatsoever you have.
England, coming from the UK.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
The Barry touchdown.
Yeah. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Alright, then you heard?
Alright,
Shini?
yeah, man, you guys take care and thanks a lot again, you know?
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
Very much,
Rest of
man.
the dream team.
Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Alright,
Very
then.
much thanks.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then,
Respect,
yeah.
friend.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Respect, man.
Alright.
Give thanks.
Ah, boy. Hey, boy. Wow. Chips, boy. Eh. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah. 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 Rice and peas. Nice and peas.
Nice and peas.
Nice and peas. Yeah, good meal is today. It's a good meal. This is a dream team meal. I know everything already. Yeah, man.
Nice and feel, you see, that's how it is, you know?
Yeah.
You see?
I have to give thanks to Unknown.
Unknown.
He used to live in 2nd Street, but live in the US now.
Yeah, Unknown. We used to live down in TrenchTown on 2nd Street.
Live in the US
You
now.
see, blessed love. You see, if you give it a meal, because I know it's hard more time when we get there. You see, so when you provide a meal, we can have food, we can go all this and go. You see, because that give us strength.
Yeah.
You see, for do the things, you see.
Yeah.
So Unknown, blessed love. You see, he's a TrenchTown man too. You see, give thanks.
He used to live in 2nd Street.
Yeah.
Unknown. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, man.
Living in the US now.
Yeah, man. Only for love and respect, man. You see?
The man born and grew up in these areas, run up and down, you know, every street, and
Yeah.
watching the program for a little while now. And I really love the work what Dream Team been putting in, you know, so he provide a meal for the team. You know, Unknown, big up yourself from 2nd Street.
Yeah, man.
Live in the US.
Give thanks, man.
Right, you know.
You see, because without this, you know, you see, we can't go nowhere, you know, we don't have nothing in our belly, you know.
Yeah,
You see, so you provide a meal for the right now.
yeah,
So we
true.
have to give thanks. You see, blessed love, man.
Yeah, man, blessed love Unknown. Big up yourself every time.
Every time, man.
So what we have
all
to...
the one of them provide meal for and keep it going. You see, through the pandemic. Give thanks. Blessed love to all of you. You see, just keep going and be safe.
Yeah,
You see, in all ways. Because phone health, go with we too, you know.
yeah,
You
yeah,
see, if I want to have health, you have health.
yeah.
So give thanks.
Whoa,
Whoa, you know.
whoa, chef, there up on the ground. So you know, say, whoa, chef, and Zaga's out in the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
I know Unknown provide the meal.
Yeah.
He used to live on 2nd Street and live in the US now.
Unknown.
Yeah,
Only for respecting Unknown.
yeah, man, a man who used to live on 2nd Street.
TrenchTown, man.
TrenchTown, man.
Yeah, man, only for respect you again, you know, TrenchTown.
Yeah,
Rock of TrenchTown, you know, come at the brother, you know.
yeah, man. Him say big up the team, you know, big up the wow chef. Him say, you know,
Yeah, man,
Big
big
up.
up yourself today.
and big up the magical.
Magical man, TrenchTown man, born like we, man. So we give thanks, so.
Yeah,
You see,
man.
because him left TrenchTown and him sis, so him left you.
Yeah,
You see
yeah,
him, so him put back in for him input. So
yeah,
give thanks.
yeah.
You see.
Whoa,
Whoa, my Jenna man, big up again, you know.
yeah.
Step on the glove, man, car, you know. Only for respect, you know.
Unknown.
Unknown, only for respect.
Yeah,
you
we
know,
want to
you
stay
know.
as unknown, you know.
Yeah, man.
And we can't stop big up the Love Beer station. Whoa,
Yeah, man.
you know. You said
Love beer.
every time.
Whoa, our station, you know.
Our station.
I'm saying love beer, man. I'm saying hide it, but you know, can't hide it, you know.
See there? Show
Can't hide
them.
it, man. I have to make the world see it, you know.
Yeah, show them the card again. The world of you always see it. Cause you know Love Beer. And them have a back straight.
Only for respect for the disc
Yeah.
team, you know.
Yeah, Janty Blue
Shanty Blow,
and TYB.
TY. Shanty Blow and TY. Only for respect, you know.
See there, Love
Shanty
Beer.
Blow. TYB.
Dream
Team Station. Dream Team Station,
Yeah,
you know. Toronto. Toronto.
Yeah, man, all of
You see,
Canada.
whole of Canada.
Yeah, man.
You see,
#1 radio station.
#1 station, tune into it. Love
Yeah,
it.
so people tune into it. Love Beer music.
Pick up RFM too, our station out there,
Yeah.
but it's a love beer.
You see,
Yeah,
So I love it name of love beer.
Yeah,
of
man.
course.
Yeah, man, holy for love.
And I did love. And I did a whole heap of work for Dream Team
Yeah.
behind the doors.
Yeah, man.
I
Yeah,
understand them been putting in a lot of work for us. You see me, so you know, so
love
they
beer,
think
holy for
you're
respect
official.
again. I love beer. Yeah, man, love beer, man. I'm eating this, you know. You know what I go there and travel with it, you know.
Straight. I ID that, you know, that's a Love Beer ID.
Love beer, I'm ID this. You
Yeah.
know. So I put him up carefully. You know, the world I see him same way. You know,
Yeah. So what we have on the menu now today?
Yeah, man, you know, so some brown stew chicken,
And what?
Alright, nice and
nice
peas.
and peas, you know.
Nice and
And
peas.
chicken and fish.
Yeah,
I have to get you a slice
Yeah.
of
I'm
fish.
gonna get the fish that be done, you know.
You
Yeah.
see, you see me?
Get it line up, you know.
Sure.
Man.
Right
The fish up and running with the nice and peas.
Oh, okra.
Yeah. Kino,
Oh, yeah.
Kino thing, you know?
And we have man like Joe.
Yeah, okra.
In the kitchen say me I go and spin on.
Beer station, unknown,
Unknown.
Yeah, man.
with the token and the grace.
Yeah.
And the blessing.
Yeah. Talpi station. So Talpi hear him name and call.
Love beer.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Unknown. All the people that do good work, do one of them straight. Yeah, man.
I know if you always big up the Roosevelt Freeport.
Roosevelt Freeport.
Church of Christ.
Church of Christ. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
More this is a serious prayer for my community, you know. Yeah, man. It's a serious prayer for my community because I love what I'm going to our place, brother.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man. Really.
Yeah, man, you know. Prayers rain down in TrenchTown. So, you know, Roosevelt Freeport, Church of Christ, and then support us with the tools.
Holy for respect to the donors, them, you know. Holy for them.
Every time.
Apple pie, long time in the year for you. Big up yourself, yeah.
Yeah. Apple pie are cool out. Pie too hot.
Yeah, they're finding pie too hot. You can cool it down.
Yeah, man, spring water.
Cool down, man.
Cool it down a bit.
Holy for respect, yeah.
Yeah, see there. Whoa.
Oh, in the kitchen, man.
See, it's now going cut up.
Yeah, and the thing, they're line up, you know.
Go on the brown stew. Brown stew chicken and nice and peas.
I'm going to line up the fish, you know.
And Wow Chef will line up the fish as usual.
Yeah, the fish and thing, and everything line up the fish.
Yeah. See, that's special.
That's the okra we want now. Red, gold and green, you know.
Same way.
Yeah, man, because we not left for Bobo Hill no time, you know.
No.
Bobo Hill! Yeah, man. Sizzle and cable, because all for respect.
Red, gold and green.
Yeah, man.
So what I mean.
You know? Yeah, man.
So what I mean.
Weekend, the Itals show, so Bobo Hill, that was the only for red, gold and green.
Yeah,
man.
Itals show on the weekend.
Yeah, man. Saturday, man.
Dream weekend.
Dream team, one dream team, you know.
One dream team.
Yeah. So I have a dream weekend, you know.
Yeah.
That's month.
Dream team weekend.
Yeah, dream team weekend. Yeah, man. That's the dream team weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The city now already the dream team, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, man, on the team, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Water drink on the side, but you don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, look at the water, man.
Nice and peace.
Nice and peas. Steam. And chicken will look good. Real good. Brown stew.
And the nice and peace, you know.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.